Haha, guys, welcome back to English with Tom and Anna.
If you're new here, we help you speak English naturally, confidently, and without feeling stressed.
And if you enjoy learning English in a fun, real conversation style,
Then don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. It really helps us a lot.
all right, let's introduce ourselves quickly. I'm Tom,
And I'm Anna.
and today we are going to solve one of the most confusing topics in English.
Yes, was versus were versus been. Yes, the scary trio.
Exactly, but don't worry, we'll make it easy, like really easy.
Super easy, like talking to your friend.
Okay, Anna, let's start simple. What is was?
Good question. Was is the past form of am and is.
Okay. Say that again, but simpler.
Sure. Was is used for the past with singular subjects.
Okay. So like, I was, he was, she was.
Exactly. Let's give some examples.
All right. Yesterday, I was tired.
Good. Yesterday, she was at home.
My phone was broken.
Oof, that's painful.
Yeah, emotionally damaged.
Okay, now let's talk about were.
All right, bring it on.
Were is also past tense, but we use it with plural subjects, and also you.
Wait, even for one person, we say you were?
Yes, that's one of those weird English things.
English, why are you like this?
Okay, so examples.
They were happy.
We were late.
You were amazing yesterday.
Aw, thank you, Tom. I know.
Wow, confident today.
Always.
Okay, so let me check if I understand.
Go ahead.
I was, he was, she was, but you were, we were, they were.
Perfect. You got it.
That actually feels simple now.
See? Not scary anymore.
Okay, but I still have a problem.
Uh-oh. What now?
Sometimes I hear people say, if I were you, not if I was you.
Ah, yes. This is where things get interesting.
I knew it. English was being nice, and then suddenly, boom.
Okay, listen carefully. In real life, people say both if I was you and if I were you.
So both are correct?
In casual English, yes, but technically, if I were you is more correct.
Why?
Because it's an imaginary situation. It's not real.
Oh, so like a dream or something not true.
Exactly. Like,
If I were rich,
I would travel the world.
same. If I were rich, I would buy 100 pizzas.
Wow, big dreams, Tom.
Food is important, Anna.
Clearly.
Okay, so were is used for imaginary situations sometimes.
Yes, especially with if.
Got it. That's actually cool.
Now, are you ready for been?
Honestly, no, but let's do it.
Okay, don't worry. Been is not that scary.
I don't trust you, but okay.
Been is the past participle of be.
I regret asking.
Okay, simple version.
Please?
We use been with have, has, or had.
Okay, like I have been.
Yes, for example,
I have been busy.
she has been sick.
They have been here before.
Perfect.
So been always needs have or has.
Exactly.
What about had?
Yes, for example,
I had been waiting for you.
wow, dramatic.
I waited for 5 minutes.
That's not dramatic, Tom. That's normal.
It felt like 5 hours.
Sure.
Okay, let's practice a bit.
Yes, I'll ask you, you answer.
I'm ready.
Yesterday, I blank tired.
Was,
Good. They blank at the party.
were,
Nice. I have blank very busy today.
been.
Perfect. That was fast.
I'm improving.
You were always smart, Tom.
Wow, past compliment. I'll take it.
Okay, Tom, can we make this more real, like daily life?
Yes, that's the best way to learn.
Okay.
All right, let's imagine a normal day.
Okay.
Yesterday, I was late for work
Why?
because my alarm was broken.
Oh, no.
And my boss was not happy.
I can imagine.
My coworkers were already there,
Of course they were.
and I was just like, sorry.
Classic Tom.
What about you?
Yesterday, I was at home all day.
Sounds relaxing.
It was, but I was also working.
Not so relaxing.
And my internet was really slow.
That's the worst.
Yes, I was trying to finish my work, but everything was loading so slowly.
Technology. Sometimes helpful, sometimes stressful.
Exactly.
Okay, now let's use been.
Good idea.
I have been very busy this week.
Same. I have been working a lot.
Have you been sleeping well?
Not really. I have been watching too many shows.
Ah, Netflix problem.
Yes, I say just one episode and then suddenly it's 3 a.m.
That's dangerous.
What about you?
I have been trying to wake up early.
Trying or succeeding?
Trying. Okay, let's do a quick speaking practice for everyone watching.
Yes, repeat after us.
I was happy yesterday.
I was happy yesterday.
They were late.
They were late.
I have been busy.
I have been busy.
Keep repeating, guys. This really helps your brain remember.
Yes, don't just listen, speak.
Okay, Anna, let's make a mini story.
Oh, I love this part.
All right. Yesterday, I was walking in the park,
Okay.
and I saw a dog.
Cute.
The dog was very friendly,
I like where this is going.
but suddenly, the dog was chasing me.
What?
Yes, I was running like crazy,
Oh no, Tom.
and people were watching and laughing.
That's embarrassing.
I have been scared of dogs since then.
Since yesterday?
Yes, it was a traumatic experience.
Poor Tom.
Your turn.
Okay, yesterday I was at a cafe.
Nice.
The cafe was very quiet.
Peaceful.
I was enjoying my coffee,
Sounds perfect.
and then a baby started crying.
Oh no.
Everyone was looking at the parents.
Awkward.
I have been avoiding that cafe since then.
Wow, dramatic again.
Just a little.
All right, guys, quick question for you.
Yes, answer in your mind or in the comments.
Yesterday, you blank happy. Was or were?
Think.
The answer is
Was because you can take were, but in this case, both are used depending on style. But standard is you were happy.
tricky. All right, let's continue.
Yes, and Tom, I think we confused them a little with that last question.
Yeah, you was or you were. That can be tricky.
So let's make it super clear now. In standard English, we say you were.
Always?
Yes, you were happy, you were late, you were right.
Even if I'm talking to just one person.
Yes, even then.
Okay, English is officially weird, but I accept it.
Good. Now let's go deeper into been because this is where many learners struggle.
Yeah, I hear people say things like, I have been working, I have been there, and I'm like, why not just say, I was?
Great question. This is very important.
I'm ready.
Okay, when you say I was, you are talking about a finished moment in the past.
Okay.
But when you say I have been, it connects the past to now.
That sounds a bit confusing.
Don't worry, let's make it simple with examples.
Please.
I was tired yesterday. That's finished, done.
Right.
But I have been tired all day.
Means it started earlier and continues until now.
Exactly.
So it's like still happening?
Exactly.
That actually makes sense.
Let's try more examples.
Okay.
I was in London last year.
Past, finished.
Good. Now she has been to London.
That means she visited London before.
Yes, at some time in her life.
Oh, that's different.
Very different. That's why been is so useful.
So, has been is about experience?
Yes, many times.
Okay, let me try one.
Go ahead.
I have been to Pakistan.
Nice. That means you visited Pakistan sometime in your life.
Exactly. And I was in Pakistan last year.
Perfect. Now you're showing the difference.
Wow, I feel smart today.
You have always been smart, Tom.
Oh, thank you.
See, I used have been again.
Yeah, because it's from the past until now.
Yes.
Okay, let's do some quick practice.
Yes. I'll give sentences, you choose.
Let's go.
I blank very busy today. Was or have been?
Have been.
Correct, because today is not finished yet.
Nice.
I blank tired yesterday.
Was.
Perfect.
This is getting easier.
Good. Now let's add a little challenge.
Uh-oh.
I blank working all day.
Been.
Yes, full sentence. I have been working all day.
That sounds natural.
Exactly. This is called present perfect continuous.
Big name, but simple idea.
Yes, don't worry about the name, just remember the pattern.
Have/has plus been plus verb ing.
Perfect.
Okay, let's make this more real again.
Yes, real life situations help a lot.
Imagine we are talking about work.
Okay.
I have been working nonstop today.
Same here. I have been answering emails all morning.
I have been drinking too much coffee.
That explains your energy.
I was tired in the morning, but now I'm okay.
See, you used both was and have been.
Yeah, I'm mixing them like a pro.
Let's try a travel situation.
Ooh, I like that. Have you been to Italy?
Yes, I have been to Italy twice.
Nice. When was the last time?
I was there in 2022.
Perfect example again.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, did you notice that?
Have been for life experience.
And was/were for a specific past time.
Exactly.
Okay, let's do a mini role play.
Yes.
I'll be a tourist.
And I'll be a local.
Excuse me, have you been to this restaurant before?
Yes, I have been there many times.
Was it good?
Yes, it was amazing.
Were the prices expensive?
No, they were reasonable.
Great! I have been looking for a good place to eat.
Then this is perfect for you.
That felt real.
Yes, and very useful for daily conversations.
Okay, now let's talk about some common mistakes.
Yes, this is important.
Many learners say, I have went.
Oh no, that's wrong.
The correct is,
I have gone or I have been.
ah, yes.
And also don't say I have was.
Yeah, that sounds very wrong.
Always remember after have/has, use been, not was/were.
Good tip.
Another mistake, I was been.
That sounds painful.
Yes, never mix them like that.
So it's either I was or I have been.
Exactly.
Okay, let's give some daily use phrases.
Yes, this is very helpful.
I was just thinking about you.
I was about to call you.
Where were you?
You were amazing today.
I have been waiting for you.
I have been feeling tired lately.
Have you been okay?
I have been meaning to talk to you.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yes, very natural.
Let's repeat together.
Yes, guys, speak with us.
I have been waiting for you.
I have been waiting for you.
I was just thinking about you.
I was just thinking about you.
You were amazing.
You were amazing.
Keep practicing.
Yes, repetition builds confidence.
Okay, Anna, let's do a short emotional story.
Ooh, I like emotional stories.
All right.
Go for it.
Last year, I was in a very difficult situation. I was feeling lost and confused.
That sounds tough.
My friends were busy, and I was alone.
Oh no.
But one friend, she has been very supportive.
That's nice.
She has been helping me, talking to me, encouraging me.
That's a real friend.
Yes, because of her, I am better now.
That's beautiful, Tom.
Thanks. English can be emotional too.
Yes.
Okay, guys, now let's quickly review.
Yes, super quick summary.
Was is for singular past,
Were is for plural and you.
and also for imaginary situations, like if I were you.
Good.
Been is used with have, has, or had.
And it connects past to present or shows experience.
Perfect.
You've learned a lot today.
Seriously, if you understand this, you are already improving fast.
Now, we have a question for you.
Yes, write in the comments.
Have you been to another country? And when were you there?
Answer using been and was/were.
We'll read your answers.
And maybe reply too.
Yes.
All right, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends.
keep practicing every day.
And remember,
Mistakes are okay.
because that's how you learn.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.